Hey drone nerds, it's Matt. The DJI FlyCart 30 is redefining what delivery means. With multiple payload options, the use cases for this drone platform are really impressive. Let's talk about a few of those use cases today. In the world of delivery drones, FlyCart 30 is solving real-world problems. Look at this FC30 being used to clear heavy snow and ice off remote power lines. This is far from just delivering packages, and it showcases the vast applications of the FlyCart. And not used just for breaking ice and snow off electrical infrastructure, FlyCart 30 is changing how workers in these remote areas transport glass insulators during their annual inspection on remote power lines in China. These remote peaks are on average 11,000 feet in altitude. Before FlyCart, getting these supplies would take workers 4 to 7 hours to hike up peaks with over 60 pounds on their back, while temperatures in the winter drop to -4 degrees Fahrenheit. On top of that, these insulators would often break while being physically carried by workers to their destination. FlyCart has reduced supply time to 10 minutes without the risk to workers or supplies being transported, enabling them to have more energy to focus on the main task at hand. Typically, these workers stay on site for up to 15 days to perform annual inspections. These workers used to survive on crackers and bread. The FlyCart 30 now delivers them hot meals when they need it most. The shipping industry is another area the FlyCart is being utilized. The Yangtze River in China spans 9 provinces and 2 cities. It's one of the most significant shipping corridors in China. As ships await their turn to be unloaded, the crews are often in desperate need of food and supplies. Boats used to be how crews in the channel get food and supplies delivered while waiting to be unloaded. Adding up the fuel costs and time to make these deliveries compared to the efficiency of the FlyCart are incomparable. Now let's head over to eastern China. Workers at the Julong Mountain Nature Preserve have been utilizing the FlyCart 30 to carry surveillance system supplies up to their destination, so that they can monitor one of the few areas in China that still maintains its native vegetation. Inaccessible by vehicle, mountain trails were the only way to access this beautiful landscape. Each worker would make 1 trip per day, carrying over 60 pounds up the mountain amidst the grueling heat. Hikes in these temperatures test the worker's endurance, pushing the human body beyond a safe level of stress. A single bag of cement that cost 13 cents would cost $2.67 to get it up the mountain on foot. The FlyCart is estimated to replace the work of 40 workers and reduce delivery time that in the past delayed construction. Lastly, the mountainous scenic region of Huangshan, China, locals used to make deliveries to the remote area on foot. This terrain is unforgiving, featuring 60-degree slopes and massive elevation changes. Locals would make the trek in both rain and ice storms. The FlyCart 30 has so far delivered over 80 tons of goods up the mountain, totally reshaping their supply chain process. As more companies adopt drones in their daily operations, the use cases for the FlyCart will continue to revolutionize industries all over the world. If you have any questions, put those in the comments down there. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. My name is Matt. Happy flying.